How can I implement AI across my entire company?
We get that question all the time, to be honest, right? We sit on brainstorming calls, you and I and some other individuals here, and that's kind of the question is, well, I want my finance team to use it, my marketing, my sales, my operations. I need HR to touch it a little bit.
Mhm.
And how do I do that across the board? Well, right now, or I should say, AI is not very collaborative.
Mhm.
Our Flux Prompt tool is now addressing stuff like that, where we can have an entire space dedicated to your company that have sections basically figured out. And I'm
Mhm.
oversimplifying this, of course,
Sure.
but I can have a space for my marketing team, my sales team, and then I can share workflows or automations or functionalities in between them. So now we're all on the same page as far as the workflows and the AI strategies that we're putting in
Mhm.
across an entire company or even within a large department. So right now, implementing it really just starts at the grassroots level.
Okay.
Is most people say, well, how do I implement? And the first answer we usually give them is, let's just start building and testing and trying. Most people don't even make it past that step.
Mhm.
So if we can get you past that step, honestly, what we've seen in our clients' eyes is this kind of veil, this parts ways, and they're like, oh my gosh, now I get it. But I was just too hesitant to start that journey from the get go.
Yeah.
Once you start that journey with us and we brainstorm through that, it becomes a lot more simple.
Is there a difference between implementing AI for enterprise versus SMBs?
Honestly, not right now.
Hmm.
Now, if you're a sales professional, if you're a marketing professional, business development professional, there's a world of difference between enterprise and SMB, right? But as far as AI implementation goes, it's still there's layers of bureaucracy and red tape and things kind of take longer with enterprise versus SMB. But as far as the getting going with the Flux Prompt tool or
Mhm.
creating generative AI products or apps or models, there is no difference.
Okay.
Now, one of our enterprise clients right now is using it for their dev team, and their dev team is what's
Hmm.
helping them kind of insert that to the rest of the company,
Okay.
which is awesome because they're kind of letting it live in tech. And that's what they found to work for them. But we have other small companies where it doesn't work with dev because they don't even have those resources to begin with. So marketing is leading the way, or business development is
Mhm.
leading the way. Operationally speaking, there isn't much of a difference as far as getting started. The thing that they have in common is just get started.
Got it. So how can AI be collaborative?
So up until this point, AI has not been really awesome being collaborative. It's kind of
Mhm.
been individual, right?
Okay.
So I go to ChatGPT, for example, I put in some prompts, I get some answers, I collectively use it for myself, then I go and share those results with other people. So
Mhm.
the collaboration is kind of your communication interdepartmentally or throughout your team or friends or family, it doesn't matter.
Sure.
And what I tell you is the collaboration part.
Mhm.
Well, Flux Prompt kind of takes that and takes that into account and says, well, you know what, marketing can create a flow that ties into this new sales flow for the sales team. Their end result needs to go to our operations team for onboarding, and then that kicks off something for HR so that they can tidy that for when that person comes in and manages that individual. So our collaboration piece really is our new user interface, which is saying I have now an admin panel with
Okay.
these subfolders essentially where all of my teams can connect as a whole, and I can make an entire AI ecosystem where we're all on the same page, and anything I do can affect what you want to do, and we can make this entire system from start to finish that touches multiple departments, but all going after the exact same goal.